Others have to keep your cameras off. Yeah. Toastmaster Shobha. Toastmaster Ram Prasad. Toastmaster Saurabh Agarwal. Toastmaster Prasad JC. We will be sending the participation certificates through email. Thank you. Chief Judge, can we move on to the next segment?
You need to give us some time because
okay, we will wait. No
breakout room. Toastmaster Anita, could you please put us in the breakout room?
Yeah, Garudaji, should we do this at the end of both the meetings, both the contests, or you want to complete this? How do you want to move about?
Okay, we can do it at the end. Yeah, we can continue. Toastmaster Raghuram, you can go ahead, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, we are going to have the next contest, that is humorous speech contest. Wherever humor is there happiness is there, laughter is there. So we always try to bring humor in life that gives us definitely a laugh and happiness. Recently, my wife is telling, Abu, you know, ladies can deliver every year one child. You men can't. Know that? I said, is that? India's population is 1.25 billion. You think of. Yesterday, I was asking my wife, she was kneading the dough very harshly and very strongly. I asked, what happened? I'm angry on you. All day you are into Toastmasters. So she is kneading the dough in such a spirit. Maybe it is also getting pained. Now let us move on to the contest. Now contestants may remain in the room, hear speakers before you and after you. When it is your turn, unmute your mic during the 1 minute silence for judging of the previous speaker. I will say your name to the audience, the title of your speech, repeat the title of speech, again, then your name. Time will start the first verbal and non-verbal communication with the audience. You will have 5 to 7 minutes to present your speech. Timing lights will be activated as follows. Green light at 5 minutes, orange at 6 minutes, and red light at 7 minutes. Red light will then stay on until you finish the speaking. No other notice will be given to indicate that you have overtime. You will be disqualified if a speech is less than 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes and or more than 7.5 minutes. We will then have 1 minute silence for the judges to record their scores. If you have reason to do so, may lodge a protest. Only contestants and judges may file a protest. All protests must be made either to the chief judge or to myself or to the contest chair. Once the winner have been declared, all decisions are final. Protests will not be entertained afterwards. I would like to wish you all the best. Now, Chief Judge, may I have the permission to continue?
Yes, yes, Toastmaster Raghuram, you can go ahead.
Yeah. We have 3 contestants competing. The contestants have drawn the speaking order, and for your records, the order is as follows. Let me. Can you see the names? Toastmaster, first contestant, Toastmaster Anshuman, ANSHUMAN. Second contestant is Toastmaster Chandra, CHANDRA. Third contestant is Toastmaster Saurabh, SAURABH. Eligibility: be eligible, a contestant must be a Toastmaster in good standing in a club, not a current district or international officer. They have declared the intent to run for district or international office. Come from that, all the contestants have indicated that they are eligible to participate. Just briefing to audience, contestants can select any topic which must be substantially original. The speech timing is 5 to 7 minutes. Contestants will be disqualified if they speak less than 4.5 minutes or more than 7.5 seconds. Timings begins with the first definite verbal or non-verbal communication with the audience. Green light at 5 minutes, orange light at 6 minutes, and red light at 7 minutes, and remains on until speech concluded. There will be no signal given for going over time. Judges are instructed not to consider time in their ranking of the speakers. After the contestant has finished, there will be 1 minute silence between speakers for judges to complete their scores. This may be only be entered by the contestants or the judges to either the chief judge or myself as contest chair. Once the result of the contest has been announced, all decisions are final. Now, our first contestant is Toastmaster Anshuman. Toastmaster Anshuman, I request the contestant to confirm by saying, New Start is the best.
New Start is the best.
Okay, thank you. I am confirming that the contestant is visible and audio is proper. So let us put our hand together to welcome our first contestant, Toastmaster Anshuman. Title, Testing Times. Testing Times, Toastmaster Anshuman. All the best.
Thank you, Kantisha, and good evening, everyone. So who over here has a manual driving license in the UAE? Especially in this day and age, where driving has become so easy. Who will go through the trouble of driving a manual transmission car? Well, I did. Because I believed it was the true essence of driving a car. It made me feel cooler, more manly. Besides, it was a point in life where I was absolutely clueless and jobless in life. My dad used to tell me in Malayalam, ഇങ്ങനെ വെറുതെ ഇരിക്കാതെ പോയി വല്ല driving പണിയെങ്കിലും ചെയ്ത് ജീവിക്കടാ. Which means, rather than sitting here all day doing nothing, at least go earn a living by doing some driving job, man. So I took his words quite literally and went and registered for a manual driving license. First step, online test. Piece of cake, passed like a breeze. I didn't know what the fuss was all about. Soon after, I went to the driving school to register for my classes. So when they asked me, do you have any preference for the kind of instructor? You see, me being a Malayali went for one of my own kind. Of course, that's what we Malus do. We love to leech on to each other. So the driving school granted my wish, and my Malu instructor and I soon started our classes. Right from the start, I realized one thing. I'm a pathetic driver. One main reason for that is I have a bit of dyslexia. To put it in simple words, I have a terrible hand-eye leg coordination, which is the basic prerequisite to drive a manual transmission car. The biggest challenge was to get the car even moving without it turning off. This first line of the first chapter took the entire first week of my classes. Still, I told myself, Anshuman, chill out, you've got it. On the other hand, I was busy embarrassing myself, stopping traffic with the car repeatedly going off, putting the left indicator instead of the right indicator. I used to always forget to check the side mirrors. My driving instructor used to get frustrated and say, Niyanda kudreyano, which means, are you a horse with blinders that you can only see straight? Once in a while, look left and right, man. Somehow I pushed through to the yard test, where I took a few attempts, crashing poles left and right during the parking test. My car always went downhill instead of uphill during the slope test. My Mallu PAL instructor, who didn't seem so pally anymore, was getting fed up with my obvious incompetence. Then came the finale, or what I was stupid enough to think was the finale, the final road test. Well, no surprises there. First test failed miserably. I wasn't even allowed to start the car because I forgot to put the seat belt because of all the nervousness in my head. In the subsequent tests, I even surprised myself in the new ways I managed to find to fail. There were times I couldn't even get the car out of the yard, or I turned on the wiper instead of the indicator, or if he asked me to park, I would park exactly in the center of two parking spots. And before I knew it, I was 7 tests down. What I thought was a breeze had now turned into a storm. To make matters worse, my friends who applied for driving classes much after me were now holders of driving license cruising the streets of Dubai. It was around this painful time my dad used to tell me, "Don't let ever failures bring you down, my son," says the man who passed in his first test, like he knew what I was going through. On the other hand, my driving instructor, who was going on leave at the time, handed me this parting piece of advice before he left. Why don't you shift from a manual to an automatic? It's for people like you only they even invented the automatic car. In fact, he went one step ahead. He said, I think you should consider getting yourself one of those driverless cars. I think you need one of those. I told myself, hang in there. You're just one step away. Somehow, then, as a replacement to my instructor who went on leave, I got a new Pakistani instructor. And trust me, he was not kind. But something if my past suggests, I tend to perform a bit better when I'm subjected to some rough treatment. You can ask my mom. So under him, I started showing some slow but steady improvement. Let's fast forward to test number 12. This time I was battle ready. I started the car, drove the car perfectly as per the RTA inspector's instructions. By the time he asked me to stop on the right, I knew I had done it. This was it. I was running victory laps in my head. So I brought the car to a smooth halt. The RTA inspector turned to me, pointed to a board on the right and said, Habibi, what does that signboard say? Sir, bus stop. Are you driving a bus, my friend? No, sir, but you only asked me to stop over here. Tomorrow I will ask you to drive into the sea. You will drive? No, sir. Yalla, fail. Go sit in the back. That day I wanted to pull all the hair out of my head. As I went for my next test, I told myself, enough is enough. This is going to be your last attempt. There is absolutely no hope or luck running in your favor. However, on that day, one small thing worked in my favor. I was the first person in that waiting room to be asked to give the test. Unlike previous occasions, where half the battle was lost in that waiting room because of the tension building in my head. That day, I just went out there, did my thing, and guess what? In the end, unlucky number 13 had to come to my rescue. Pass. So my friends, what do you learn from this story? If you are ready to invest the right amount of time, effort, and in this case, a lot of money, you will achieve your goal in the end. So the day I get my license, what do? I go and book myself a brand new automatic car and promise myself never to drive a manual car ever. Thank you.
Now we will have a minute of silence for the judges to mark their ballot. Thank you, Prabhu. Now, our second contestant is Toastmaster Chandra. Toastmaster Chandra, I request the contestant to confirm by saying, new start is the best.